Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show how to apply a master page to your site and then also select the page layout for whatever page you're working on. So I am going to use the workflow site on the COE site collection. First thing I'm going to do is navigate to that workflow. Now I've already taken a liberty of installing all of the master pages and all of the page layouts for the four themes that we talked about on the server. So you don't have to do any of that stuff. I took care of it recently. But you will have to select your master page for your site and then select whichever page layout that master page has for your page. So it's actually two steps. The first step is kind of easy. It's selecting the master page for your site. So this is the workflow subsite on the COE site collection. So what I'm going to do is go to site settings to apply a master page. At site settings, you want to go to master page. It should be under look and feel. If for some reason it's not, let me know and I can apply the settings to your site to make sure that shows up, but that should be done for you also. So I go to master page. Now, the only setting you need to change is the site master page. You can leave the system master page alone, but make sure you change the site master page. So you want to specify a master page to be used by the site. By default, it's set to Seattle. Under Seattle, though, you'll see the four master themes that we talked about. So I think for this one, let's try this. I think I kind of like this one. So we pick the modus. After that, you hit OK. Now, the master page is applied, and where you're probably thinking, hey, nothing's changed. That's right, nothing has changed because you haven't selected a page layout for whatever page you're working on. So now that we're on the site, and we're still on the site, the next thing you want to do is create a page. Now, what might seem a little deceiving is since these are team site templates that I use to create the sites, you'll actually have to create the page in the pages and then apply the page layout to that page. And then after that, you can make whichever page you created in the pages folder the default page. So this way, whenever anybody goes to your site, they go to that page you created. But we'll get to that in another video. So you go to pages, go up here to file, new document, select article page. The page layouts we have installed have an article page content type, so you want to use an article page to make sure everything works. So I click article page, enter the title. For this one, we're just going to call it test. The URL we're going to use is test. I mean, you can change this to whatever URL, but for now, I'm just change it to test. Now, it's important. Remember, I picked the modus master page. So as you can see, there are a number of master pages available. I mean, page layouts available. The Avisia theme has 3 of them. The modus theme only has 1. Sharepoint theme has 4, and Expecto theme has 1. Now, if you're worried about, hey, I only have 1 page layout, 1 I think in this case might be enough. I mean, obviously you can copy it and create other page layouts from it, or whatever you want to do. But I'm just trying to show you how to apply a page layout to a page you created. So I'm gonna pick the modus home. Pick that. Hit create. Okay. So now I have a page in this subsite where the subsite has a master page of modus, and then the page layout I just created has the modus page layout. When you're going to be doing all of your content changes, you will be doing that to the page layout. And since the page layout is already applied to the page, you won't really have to do anything to this page you created. all you would have to do is manipulate the page layout with whatever your content is, and it will show up. So let's go to test. Page is still loading a little bit. All right. So I'm just going to check this in because right now it's checked out to me. Clean it up a little bit. And publish it. This way everybody can see it. And you'll have to do that the first time. So I've applied the theme. Now, as you can see, you apply the master page and then you apply the page layout. This is what happens. Now, as far as editing the page, I will do that for another video, but that is essentially how you apply a master page and then apply a page layout to a page. Now, let's say, hey, I like the Modus, but I want to try another one. I think I want to change the page layout. And that's fine. You'll go through the same steps. You will go to Site Settings. Okay, Master Page. All right, now we're at Modus, and let's say I like the Avicii theme, so I'll go to Avicii, hit OK. Now, I'm going to go to that test page I created, and you'll see it'll look really messed up. Nothing's going to show up right. And that's fine, because you have to remember the page layout we have applied to this test.aspx page is still on that Modus page layout. What we want to do is apply a Avicii page layout to this, because the page layouts and the master pages are definitely linked. I mean, there's CSS files and JavaScript files and images that are all linked on the page layout. So, and that's why it's not looking correct. So if you see it doesn't look quite right now, and that's fine. What we do is we go to edit the page. Okay, then you go to page. There's an option for page layout, so we can change the page layout. Click page layout. Okay, now we have a couple of themes for the Avicii. I think I'm going to pick the home. And then it's going to go through this changing page layout. Once you do that, you hit save. Okay, now it's still checked out to me. It means that only I can see it, and that's fine. So what we do is we check it in. No big deal. I'm just don't care about the comment right now. And then after that, we'll have to publish it because we haven't published the page yet, and that's fine too. Just click publish this page, and boom, the Avicii theme is there. And you go through the same steps if you want to change any other a theme. The Expecto theme, the Sharepoint theme. If you find another theme out there on the internet that you really like, we install it, and then if you want to change, you change. Now, to clear up something else, let's say, oh yeah, I like this as a home page, but I want another page there, and I don't necessarily like the home page, the home page layout. I want to use something like a main layout or like a contact us layout if those layouts are available for that theme. Now, certain themes have multiple page layouts already there for you to manipulate, and certain themes only have one, and that's fine. The themes that only have one are meant to be just go there and one page, which is what I think our demonstrations are going to be like. But in case you ever want to do it and you have multiple themes, you would just go to the pages directory, make another page. The master page for the theme is already installed on there. So and you pick another page layout for the whatever theme you're using, and it would apply to that page. So you don't have to use the same page layout for all the pages in your site. You do ever have to use page layouts associated with that theme, whatever master page you have applied to the site. So I hope this helps, and I'm gonna post this up on YouTube. All right, thank you.